All right, y'all, it's cash out time. Every penny counts. I'm gonna cash out about maybe $3 on this site, not a lot. Just wanna show you guys that you can still make money with these sites. I want to kind of show you every time that I cash out that it's still possible to really make money with these sites. So you see here my balance, I have 464 points. So I'm gonna cash that out real quick. I just want to show you a routine. I really got that basically this morning, honestly, just doing a couple surveys and some videos and offers, things like that. So I just want to show you my routine. Surveys here, there'll be a list of them here. You just kind of go through again, none that you haven't seen already. You see here your survey. I actually did 2 of those. What I'm saying, they pay 140 points each. That's $1.40. That's a really high paying. Zen survey is another good one. Just kind of scrolling down, showing you all of them that they have here. What I'm saying? So this is what you want to do, just kind of go through and look at these. These are the the biggest, the best ways to make money, in my opinion, on these sites, because they're just, they pay good and they're not long surveys. I mean, these surveys take 10, maybe 15 minutes at the most. It just depends on how fast you are at answering questions. They also have a video tab that I like to do when I'm doing the surveys. Click on video offers, and you see here what you can do. Different ways you can make money with the video loyalty. All you gotta do is basically get let 3 videos play, and you'll get credited for every 3 completions. What I'm saying? Just pick either tab that you want and just let it go. Look at here, Video Lab. Watch interesting videos from Video Lab. Get rewarded every 15 minutes. So just let the videos play every 15 minutes. Money's being put into your account. Very, very simple to do. Just do that on a separate tab while you're doing surveys, so your money builds even faster. Going over here to the offer walls, clicking on that, showing you what they have. AdGate, AdSend, these are good ones. Theorem Reach, again, you get paid disqualification points for doing that. I did a few of those this morning as well. But this right here is the AdGate. So you kind of go through and just see what you can do here. I'm trying to show you one that's probably easy to sign up right here. Sign up to Quality Health and receive a free diabetes wristband. All you basically doing is just sign up, with your name. You can do like a fake address. You don't have to need a real address. Do an email, and bam, you're gonna get 84 points. And if it's something that you don't want, obviously you can when they start sending you emails, you can unsubscribe from it. But be careful to do that after you get the points. Don't do it before you get the points. Right here, Target gift card. Want to win the Target gift card. 126 points. They're going to ask you some questions. Basically, just kind of go through and, do what they say basically in the survey or the questionnaire, whatever it is. Again, get free diabetes friendly recipe. This is basically when you're just going to, again, send your email. 49 points for doing that. I mean, these are very simple to do. They do not take a lot of work. It's just, you just got to go through and find out which ones are easy and, go through and grind on them. What I'm saying? They're very simple to do. Just put in the effort. That's all I'm telling you, is put in the effort. None of this stuff is hard. It's just about, finding out what works and just running with it. Very, very easy. But again, that's all the offer walls you want to, take a look at. Again, they got AdSend, they got other ones here. That's just the AdGate one. You see there was a couple in there. That's basically you just, submit your email, sign up, whatever, get the points. And if you don't want it, obviously just go back and delete it, unsubscribe from all that good stuff. You don't have to put your credit card information in there, nothing like that. So, don't worry about having to pay for any of that. So, like I told you, I'm going to cash out with this site. They have $1 withdrawal at the minimum. And then they have a $3 and a $5, and it goes up from there. So I really can't cash out anything more than that. But you see here, that's my last PayPal that I got. Oh, my bad. My last cash out that I got was 125. So I'm going to have another withdrawal. You see here, you have enough to make a withdrawal request. I'm going to create withdrawal. And I'm going to go $3 because I don't have enough for 5. But, just because I want to do it. You see here, $3. They're going to charge me a little fee, 9 points. Not a big deal. So I want to click on withdraw. And reviewing your withdrawal requests. Congratulations, your earnings should be soon. So all of that good stuff is being reviewed. You see there. And, obviously my points went down. I can actually cash out another $1 if I would like, but I like to keep money in my balance. That way I can, go back and grind and, continue to build my points up. So I just want to show you guys that it'll take, you know, maybe a day, maybe 2 days at the most. I think I usually have to wait like a day for it to actually be reviewed and accepted and all that kind of good stuff. But just a quick $3 cash out, just showing you that you can make money with it. I showed you a routine, so now it's just up to you to get involved with it. The link is definitely in the description to sign up for it if you would like to, you know, make money like I am with it. And you know, the thing is like, even though $3 is not a lot, but you make $3 on this site, you know, on another site you make $4, another site you make $1, another site you make $4. I mean, it's just all of these different sites, they add up. That's the thing about it. You don't have to go through and, you know, cash out on a site making $10, $20 cash outs every time. Make these low cash outs, you get the money and just let it build up, you know, with all your sites and all your apps combined. That's the name of the game. So even though they made $3 on this site, that's not all the money I'm going to make today. I just got to keep grinding on different websites and cash out on multiple websites every single day. You know what I'm saying? If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have a lot of different websites and apps that you can use that are all completely free. And if you're using a routine that I'm telling you and I'm showing you in these videos, then you should really have no problem making money. All right, so I just want to show you guys that. Again, the link is in the description for you to sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts.